Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn business page. Firstly, to create a business page, you need a personal LinkedIn account. On the LinkedIn navigation bar, click for Business and select Create a Company Page from the drop-down. You can choose the type of your business, like a company, showcase page, or educational institution. Just select Company Page, enter your company's name, and LinkedIn will generate a custom URL based on your name. Add your company's website to make it easy for visitors to learn more about your products or services. Now select your industry from LinkedIn's list help to categorize your company for better reach. Indicate the number of employees to specify your business size and choose the organization type, like public, nonprofit, or self-employed. Now all you have to do is upload a logo, a tagline, and confirm to create your page. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.